Good afternoon. Today is June 28, 2023 and it is Thursday. Now, I tell you when for experience with smart now here where service, full service technology. So, meron na to, where from Paris, Linggo, Oriental. Okay, so meron na to, when apply to work dito sa mga accept when apply, right? When. Okay. Alright. Smart or did? Oh, right. This one. Pag-apply mama. So what name sa business ka company na i-accept sa mga dito o work as on the job training. What is the name sa business? S. Para pa yun. Ito ba San. Sige, para pa yun. San. View, Sandbar View Hotel. So near the hotel sa beach. Mountain. Okay, moving ko na tayo na makikita sa mga kapatid. So then, when I start moving in your company na work and setting March 1. So, the-end ka o positive 3 months. Okay. April, May, June. 3 months. So, always so, what man the good experience sa work as positive in your experience? What man put? What? Chicken wing or pig? Pig, ha? Wala. That's it. Pig, Fruit, vegetable, para drinks. how much communication? 1 minute, interpreter. Interpreter. Then, one man band with it. Pure ang people niya. Many orders, demands sa order. Many ang order niya. Pure ang people na doon. Diba? O, wala people. Wala bad experience. Need more people. Need more orders. Plato. Dishwasher sometimes. Bugaan. Ang ito pa yung lutuanan, bukan mo, bugaan. Diba? Patri na. Ay na, UP. Minus. Pero wala i-give sa mga money. So, rules nga pag-ibigay. Next, what plan if finish your dream? Finish na pag-ibigay. Where man apply work? Pag-apat din ito natin. What company? Pakolon, nilo. Service ka, pakolon. So, home base. Home base na naman. And then, other wala na. So, kung wala kanin mo sa Cebu or Manila. Or make border. Pag few nagyapon, di man to sila kasual meaning of exchange renew every 3 months or 6 months. Not 20.